our event will be just simple. It's simple to the sense that we are just grateful. We just want to recognize the efforts of each and every one of us. Diba? Naalang ko yung three words. Three words to be exact. First is reset. Second is rebuild. Third is reconquer. The first one, reset. Grabe. Nga naman, for how many months, for how many years, nagsugod na. It's starting, di ba? It's starting all over again. The big sales, the lots of clients, di ba? More projects are coming in, but basically, kita sa ato diri sa DK, since it will be the start of some, for the next awarding, that's why it's reset. We need to change. We have to have the mindset nga humana to. Second is to rebuild. Why it's rebuild? There is we already built Butuan City as our home advantage. But why rebuild? We will be needing to rebuild our system, our culture in other cities like Cagayan de Oro, Davao. Kay atong pangalan, DK Realty Philippines, di ba? But ngano Butuan City raman ka? So that's why we need to step up. We need to change. The third one will be reconquer. It's because kung kaya nato nag-top diri sa Butuan, how come dili nato kaya sa other areas, di ba? Tama? Let's expand our business. Let's expand our mindset. Nga naman, the limit you have is only yourself. Ikaw ra ang imong limitasyon. So there's no other people nga ga-limit sa imo kundi ikaw ra. And again, I just want to be thankful sa mga developers nga lianhin, isuporta sa toa, and especially sa mga guests nga naakaron. Og labaw sa tanan pagyoday ang inyong mga kaugalingon nga naa diri karon nga mga gwapa o gwapo, di ba? So again, thank you very much and let's enjoy the night.
The realty you can trust.